Today is Monday, the 17th of September. I'm at home because Mommy's not feeling well, and I'm also not feeling well, and Nathan's definitely not feeling well. We did something very special today, didn't we?
We did.
Tell everyone what we did.
We made a force.
Yeah, but what do we do? What about that?
We made the airplane fly in the air on the fan.
What is she talking about? What in the world? Is that a paper airplane on a fan? Whoa, look how fast it's going. Let's see what happens when we take this up a notch. Or I'll take it down a notch here, so the video camera can see it. I'm slowing it down. You see? It's slowing down. Here we go faster. This one's going to be real fast now. This is going to be super fast.
Daddy, you stop this?
You hear it?
Dad, you stop it?
Alright, say bye-bye.